Have you ever wondered why bridges, buildings, the chair you're sitting on don't just collapse, even though they're loaded with people and stuff every single day? It's all because of something called the safety factor. Sounds serious, right? Trust me, it is. But it's also really simple. And once you get it, you'll start seeing hidden dangers everywhere. Let me explain. The safety factor is like a secret cushion built into almost everything around us. When engineers design, say, a steel beam for a skyscraper, they don't just make it strong enough to hold a typical load. No, they make it much stronger. If they expect it to carry 1,000 kilos, they might build it to handle 3,000. That's a safety factor of 3. Why? Because things go wrong. People make mistakes. Materials can have hidden flaws or get weaker over time. And let's be honest, sometimes people use things in ways they were never meant to be used. So a safety factor is like the unsung hero that keeps disasters at bay. But here's the twist. Not everything is as safe as you might think. Sometimes companies cut corners. They might use lower safety factors to save money, or because they're sure that nothing bad will happen. And that's when the hidden dangers start to creep in. Take ladders, for example. Most are designed with a safety factor of about 4, but if you buy a cheap ladder from a dodgy site, you might not actually get that cushion. The risk? A ladder can buckle when you least expect it. Or think about carabiners for climbing. The good ones are tested to hold 20 times what you'd usually need, but fake or uncertified ones, they might snap with just a sharp tug. That's the difference between life and death. So how can you spot hidden dangers? First, never assume. Always check labels and certifications. Look for products tested to official standards, especially when safety's on the line. And whenever you see something that looks wobbly, rusty, or just a bit off, trust your gut and give it a second thought. The world is full of invisible risks, but once you start noticing the safety factors built into your life, you'll never see things quite the same way again. So next time you cross a bridge, sit on a chair, or climb a ladder, remember, there's a whole world of engineering working quietly to keep you safe. And sometimes it's the stuff you never see that matters the most. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay safe.